Alrighty, we're going to go over fill in a 4010 or 4040 door closer. First, of course, you have to rebuild it, swap out the O-ring and stuff, preferably. I mean, just fill it back up. But anyway, hey, you got it in your vise, and you got it tipped up with an arm on it, and you got your compressing and decompressing the piston inside the cylinder. All your valves, hopefully they check out and are all good and everything. So what I do, and you can't just slurp it through the valves. There's nothing wrong with that particular but I take a little paper clip. You can see that paper clip, and I'll jam it in this one-way valve. That's a piston right there, and I'll take it and I'll clink clink up with that one-way valve and prop it open, and so it'll slurp oil really fast, really good. And actually, I have one of them in the bottom of my bucket that I've forgotten to drop down there. Hopefully we got enough oil for this closer, but we'll wing it. We'll get more oil if we have to. This takes a minute, but let's start with it all the way, most of the way down. You should be seeing bubbles and getting compression and suction. You hear it on the video. Slurping oil, that's a good sign. If it's not blowing bubbles and slurping oil, then there's something wrong, and you're either sucking air from somewhere or something else happening. But anyway, the theory behind the getting the paper clip and that one-way valve is now what it is, pulling oil in from the valve and the center of the piston. And of course, it's always a good idea to wear safety glasses and stuff, because it is hydraulic. It will shoot out, and if it gets into your eyes, it will not be good. It's all good stuff. And we're going to work the spindle until all the bubbles are not see any more bubbles. Then I'll just kind of wait and all the bubbles rise to the top, and then let it pull in all that oil on top of that piston, slowly making sure it doesn't pull any air in. The less air that you get in there, the better. Alright, so we're pretty good and full right there. I'll carefully, come on baby, take out this safety, not safety pin, but paper clip. I will slurp up any excess oil on the top of the piston. Then I use a variety of ways to seal up the cap. If it's like this type of style with that, it got like a little channel milled out just above that main step right there. I'll usually use some silicone or RTV on that style. but I'm gonna swap it out to old school style. It's still the octagon shape inside of it, but it does not have that little channel milled out. And why I'm using this is I'm gonna use some plumber's tape to seal the cap of this door closer up. And it's going to be real easy to seal up with this plumber's tape. Like plumber's tape, it seals them pretty good, and it's totally dry. Don't have to worry about it setting or anything like that. I'm going to do another round of that right on that step edge, because that's going to be one of my main sealing points. Dig that. Alright. Now it's always a good idea to have a point where you can bleed this out, like one of these valves freed up. I'm going to do that and then I'll resume the video. Alrighty, continuing on. These valves are staked in on the sides, and I've unstaked one and pulled it almost all the way out. This is my key for the end, and as I do this in, I'm going to pull this out. I'm just going to bleed the excess pressure right off that valve right there. Here, let's get a close-up of what's the excess pressure bleed.